First of all, I introduce myself. My name is Rahul Patil, and today's our Viva topic is on database, and today's date is 19th of November 2022. Database. What is database? The database is a collection of inner related data, which is used to retrieve, insert, and delete the data efficiently, and it is also used to organize the data in the form of table, schema, view, and reports etc. And next one, we have store the data, use amount of data in database, and database management system. DBMS means database management system. The database management system is a software which is used to manage the database, and for example, MySQL, Oracle are very popular commercial databases which is used in different applications. Then DBMS provides an interface to perform various operations like database creation, storing data in it, updating data, creating table, and creating table in database, and lot of more usual to DBMS. Then DBMS is provides protection. It provides protection and security to the database, and in the case of multiple users, it is also maintains data consistency. Then data definition, when it is used for creation, modification, and removal, and definition that defines the organizing the database, data in database. Then second one is data updation. Then it is used to insertion, modification, and deletion of actual data in the database. And data retrieval, it is used to retrieve the data from database, which can use the applications to various purpose. User administration, it is used to register and monitoring users, maintain data integrity, and enforcing data security, dealing with concurrency control, and maintaining performance, and recovering information to computer by unexpected failures. Then characteristics of DBMS, it is used to digital repository established on server to data, and manage the information. Then second one is it can be provide clear and logical view of data processing that manipulates the data. And DBMS contains automatic backup and recovery procedures. That's from all my side. Thank you.